Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll discuss about the process, how to apply for the fully funded scholarships in UK. These are the Chevening Scholarship for the academic session 2027. They are open for international students starting from 4th of August. And we are the first on the YouTube to bring you the application process for the academic session 2026-2027. And the deadline for this opportunity is October 6, 2026. We'll discuss this application and show you the process, complete detailed application in a while. Before that we proceed, let me remind to subscribe to YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this fully funded joining scholarship in UK is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanuk.com. And on Instagram, you can directly message our team and ask for the link or check out the stories and highlights. Link is also given in the Instagram bio here. Once you land on our website fullscholarships.net, you can read about this particular training government UK Government Chevening Scholarships for the session 2026-2027. This scholarship is open for postgraduate degrees like masters. It will be covering all uh, costs of study for the master's degree in UK with the accommodation, visa, and travel expenses as well. This UK Government Training Scholarship 2026 is open to all international students, and uh, there is no requirement of IELTS. And the deadline is 6th of October. Application just started, and we are here for the first time showing you the process at the very first day. This training government scholarship is a global scholarship fund offered by the Foreign and Commonwealth Office and partner organizations. And there are certain top institutions from the UK who are participating under this particular fellowship program. Eligibility criteria: you must be one of the citizens of eligible countries. They are part of the Chevening, and also you should hold a bachelor's degree and have 2 years of work experience. Besides that, if you have an unconditional offer from the masters at UK university, you can apply. And if you have completed your undergraduate degree, you can apply. And there are certain questions that we have asked as well. For benefits, you'll be having full payment of tuition fee. Besides that, travel and visa fee and application fee, monthly living allowances, and all event travel allowances will be also there. Documents that you need to submit for this application are listed here. Admission offer to the UK university, reference letters, academic transcripts, degree certificates, personal statement, scholarship essay and motivation letters, English language proficiency certificate, and these all documents must be submitted before the deadline. So there are certain questions, which countries are eligible. So all joining participant countries are eligible. And is there any interview? So based on the application questions, if there is, you are in that category, so you might be having an interview. And some questions that you might need an answer are always listed here. Tap on this, click here to apply button here to start the application process. Now once you click on that, you can see the official joining website here, and you can see the joining scholarships for the UK 2026-2027 are open right now, and every detail is given here. So if you see on the top menu, you can see the apply button in the red color. Tap on this apply button here, and now find your awards for your country. First, you'll have to select the country you are from and select the award. You can see scholarship or fellowship. We'll go with scholarship. Then click on search. Now you can see for every country there is a dedicated page, and you can see application for our country are open right now. So click on apply today here. Now once you click on that, you can see you will have to choose an award for the country. First select the country, then select the scholarship, then click on continue. After that, click on continue. So you have chosen to apply through India, so click on continue. Now first you'll have to enter the primary email and then phone number, then a recovery email, and then agree terms and conditions, then click on continue. So here you have to select the country, calling code as well, and then click on continue. After this, click on confirm and continue. Next step is to verify your email. So there will be certain questions for the eligibility as well. So I might have to change the email here because I already have signed up. So it might not show questions to me. Let me just change the email and I'll show you. I'll just change the email because there is a questionnaire that you have to answer mandatorily, and then recovery, and now click on continue, confirm, and now there will be okay, they are now having a different, because earlier there was a questionnaire. So let me just check the Gmail here. You can see, thank you for your interest. You can see the application portal. Tap on this. Now there's an access code which you will receive your, once you log in for the first time, you'll receive an access code. So you'll have to keep that photo with you and access code. So I have my access code here. So let me just enter the details of the access code. First digit I have to mention here. So this year they have added this layer of protection here. And now last. Now click on continue. Okay. You can see we have successfully logged into the dashboard. Deadline for our application is 6th of October. So you'll have to complete all the sections mentioned here. So first is the personal details, and here you'll have to submit the first name and last name, then your full name, then gender, then preferred pronouns, and date of birth. Then you'll have to confirm your date of birth here. After that, current address, and then country, and region. After that, preferred interview locations. You have to select your high commission. Do you require any arrangements? And then click on save and continue. After this, you can see the complete. The tag is there complete. Now click on citizenship and travel documents. Do you hold valid passport? Then passport number. Do you hold dual citizenship, refugee status, and any other form of legal residency? Have a valid UK? As of now, we don't have. Or permission to enter UK. Have ever been refused a visa, deported from any country, any offenses? So every answer must be there. Now click on save and continue. After that, higher education history. So you have to add here country you have completed your education from, institution not listed. So we'll mention the list here. Then course title you have done, and degree type. Then dates from which date you have started and when did you complete, when did you graduate. After that, result, mention the percentage and confirm. Then click on save and close. Now click on save and complete. Now click on work history. If you have work history, you have to add here because in this scholarship you need at least a 2 year work history. So now job title. If your internships that count to 2 years, you can submit that. And employment type, you can mention here month you have started, and then is this a current position, end date, you have to mention when did you complete this works, hours worked per week, you can mention that here, and brief description of the position or job you have held. Then click on save and close, save and complete. Next section, program of study. So choose the sector here which you wish. I'll go with economics. Now I'll add the first choice, institution name. So I'll go with the institution of my choice here. So you'll have to select from these participating institutions. For economics, they are the listed. I'll just go with the uh, I'll go with this Birmingham City University research. I'll go with AI and masters. Then click on save and close. You can add second choice as well, but I'll click on save and complete. So you must complete all the choices here. Okay. Save and close. And now last one, I'll just select this. Third choice you have to mention as well. So done. Now tap on save and continue. So now you'll have references. Add first references. So minimum 2 references are required. And which reference is it? Then click on save and continue. Add the second referee, and then select the referee, click on save and close. Now tap on save and complete. Go to supporting statements. So this is describe a time when you demonstrated leadership. You'll have to answer this question. A minimum of 100 words. You'll have to paste here. Then tell us your professional experience. You have to mention. Claim your first choice. So answer all this. Career plan and impact. Now tap on save and continue. Then equal opportunities. Select the country and select the region. Do you consider yourself to be a disabled? So you have to mention yes and no. Part of any disadvantaged group. So if you think so, if you have valid documents, you can mention that. Any of these areas, rural area, what type of school did you eat? So independent or fee paying, and then highest level of qualification, parents. So below degree level. Then click on save and continue. Now once you are ready, so click on submit application. You will have to review, agree to terms and conditions here. After your award, you will have to return back to your country, confirm all the questions here, tick this, click on submit application. Confirm, click on confirm. You can review as well. You can see application received. Thank you for your application. Return to the overview, and your application has been submitted. You can download your PDF of the application here. Tap on this, click on download. You'll also receive an email. Your application has been submitted, and you can go to the application portal here. Let me show you the downloaded application. You can see this is the application. Now, for certain countries, their higher education commissions will be calling applications for this training scholarship. At that time, you will have to submit the local government form. Along with this, you'll have to attach this application form. Do not miss this step. This is the most important. For example, our country, the scholarship will be offered to the Higher Education Commission. They'll be inviting applications. So we'll have to fill this application itself and then fill their application as well. Attach this as a document along with the certified true copies of documents of our degree certificate transcripts, and then attached and send them this mail or through post. Then they'll be shortlisting. Besides that, if you are directly applying through the Chevening as well, you can do that as well. That's the simple process you'll have to follow. And for that, you'll have to check regularly your government education website. They will be listing there this scholarship. You'll have to follow that. In case you have any confusions, uh, you can ask us in the comment section that I have doubt in this. So you can see this for the demo application. You can, in case you have any issues, you can withdraw this application in the same way, and everything is there on the screen. You have doubts, go to our website fullscholarships.net, tap on the help support here in the Instagram button. It will link this page and attach this and send it on our Instagram along with this link so that our team can answer your questions accordingly. Last date for this application scholarship is 6th of October 2026. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the session. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.